On question 7B of the practice exam. And this one here wants you to draw the structures of a cis and a trans version of the same compound, the same formula. So in this case here, that one is 2,3-dichloro-2-pentene. There are a couple of ways you can draw this out. Okay? And the easiest just to start out with, if you don't see this right away, write out your carbon chain. So you're looking at the end, it says pentene, right? So pent, you're gonna have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we'll change this and draw the better structures a little bit down here. But this is just to help kind of get you situated if you have a hard time with this. You're told that it's ene, so that means there's a double bond in there somewhere, and it's gonna be on carbon number 2, because it's 2-pentene. So there's our double bond. You're also told that you have a 2,3-dichloro. So on carbon number 2 and 3, you're going to have some chloros. And that looks like it. So we need to make this cis and trans. Okay, so this is not a good way of drawing it out necessarily. Let's make this a little bit better. And when you're doing that cis and trans, you're looking at the groups that are on these carbons on either side of this double bond. So I'm going to make that double bond like this. And like that, and we're going to specify what's on either side. Now, if we were to put the methyl group, which is this carbon, and the chloro, and then in this case here we have 1, 2 more carbons. That's 1, 2. We can do it like this, or if we have the methyl and the chloro, we can put those 2 carbons, so that ethyl group there, and the chloro there. So those are the 2 different isomers that we can have with this. The big question is, which one is cis, which one is trans? In each case, we have groups that are not just hydrogen on all 4 sides here. So what you're really looking at is the size of the groups, and also that, to help situate it a little bit better, maybe the molecular weight of the atom that is bonded, okay, in this case here. So you're looking between these 2, which one is the larger group? Cl is going to be the bigger one. Okay, so let's put a little star beside that one. And on this side, which is the larger group, this might look larger in terms of the fact that it's a longer chain, but look at this first atom, it's carbon versus chlorine. So this will be your big group right there, okay? So you're looking at the position of those big groups with regards to this double bond. Are they both on the same side like this? Or are they on opposite sides? So in this case here, they're both on the same side, so it forms that C. This would be the cis version. Over here, they're on opposite sides, so that will be your trans version, okay? Now, if you had, let's just say, because I'm talking about size of groups and stuff here, if this had been a methyl group, then you are looking at really the size of the bond. So an ethyl would be bigger than, say, a methyl when it came to deciding which one was the biggest group.